Okay, this is the Ecovac X1 turbo. It comes with the docking station. These need to come out, and then the front part here needs to come off. I think the battery's here. I'm not sure yet. We'll have a quick look. So a bit of force to take these off. You have to give them a bit of force pull, and they'll come off quite easily if you're doing it for the first time, as I am. And then we just need to take all these screws off. So there's one here, one there, one there, one there, one here, one there. We'll give that a try and see if that takes it off. Okay, once you get all those screws out, it just lifts up like that, and there's your battery here, just sitting there. You just have to pop it out, take the numbers off it, and go and buy yourself a new one. So yeah, this lasted me, I don't know, a couple of years. So we'll just do that, and then we pop the cover back on once we get a new battery. So I've also worked out that you need to take this weight out, I believe, to get the battery out. Not 100% sure that you need to do that, but it sounds like you do. And then flip it upside down and let it come out. So yeah, you need to take that weight out because it's on an angle. The battery's on an angle. It's got one side that's on an angle, and if you don't take that out, you can't get that battery out. So you need to do that. So that's taking it apart. So the battery lasted around about 4 years. And later on I'm going to pull this apart and see what type of batteries they are.